Hey, my name's Barry Carpenter. I'm with Thor AV. We're based out of Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. We are a manufacturer. We produce audio products, video products, and today I want to show you Canvas. This is our new product that we've just released. People typically know Thor as a rental staging style product that does excellent on-camera performance. This is our first fixed install product that we're releasing. This is a 1.5 pixel pitch. The range of Canvas goes from 3.7 to 1.2. Color accuracy is going to be extremely tight. The resolutions will work well for a variety of applications. So we're really excited to be able to release this here at InfoComm 25 this year. I want to show you around the back. Not only is the visual performance important, but actually installing it well. So we've done a bit of work to try to make this process nice and simple. This is the wall mount bracket that we've developed for this product. For installers, they'll appreciate the laser lines that are pre-etched into that bracket. Tyler here will show how throwing a panel up goes. You're going to attach it to the wall this way, tension it down. There's a nut that you're going to attach. And then we have this Z adjustment, so you can push the chassis forward and backwards to get things lined up. And then we have a bracket that further aligns the Z axis, X and Y. As you tighten this down, it pulls all the corners of the chassis together. So we're super excited to be showing Canvas this year at Info 25. Come check it out. If you want more information, please reach out. We'd love to engage, answer questions. Our website is www.thorav.us. Thank you.